Hi, this is Ben Gums with Tri-County Communications with a short tech tip video on how to set up parental controls on your cable TV service. We'll use our normal cable TV remote from Tri-County Communications and a cable box. You'll start by finding the menu button at the top of your cable remote, aim it at the box, and press it. This brings up a small menu at the bottom with a number of icons. We'll use the right arrow key to move over to the far right icon. It looks like a padlock. Oops. And press the OK button. You'll be asked for a 4-digit PIN or to create a 4-digit PIN. If you already have a 4-digit PIN, enter it in using the number pad on the remote. If you do not have a PIN, type in a PIN now, and then you'll be asked to type it in a second time to confirm it. This creates a PIN number for making changes such as this. So I'll type in my PIN.
92266.
This allows me to access the content controls. We have movie rating locks, TV channel locks, TV content locks, channel blocking, and we can remove titles from programs in the guide. The movie locks is already highlighted, so I'm going to press the OK button on the remote control. This shows a variety of ratings. I will just use the down arrow on the remote to arrow down to the rating I want to start my block. So I'm going to arrow down to, let's say, PG-13, and I'm going to press OK. You'll see a lock appear next to the one I've chosen and everything below it, which means all content that is stronger than that will automatically be blocked as well. To get back to the main screen, I'll press the last button on the remote. It's right here in blue.
Do you want to create a password for it?
Now I'm going to go down to the TV rating locks. So I'll press the down arrow key to go down to TV rating locks and then press the OK button again. Same thing applies. I'll see a list of ratings and I use my down arrow on the remote to highlight the rating I want to begin my block with. So I will move down to, let's say, TV 14, and I'll press my OK button, and you'll see locks appear next to the one I've selected and anything stronger. Again, to back up, go back to the main screen, I'll press last. Now I can also block TV content. That is, go down there and press OK. That is specific content that you might want blocked regardless of what rating the show has been given. So I could block, let's say, violence, what type of violence I would like to block. And press last to go back one step. I could block bad language and choose what block you would like. Press last, and so on and so forth. Going to go back one more. You can also block by channel. So I'll use the arrow key and go down to channel locks and press OK. This allows me to scroll through my entire guide, and on any channel that I would like to block, I just arrow down to it and press the OK button, and you'll see a lock icon appear next to that channel. From now on, to watch that channel, one would need to put in the PIN code. Press last on the remote to get back one step again. And finally, I want to show you how to hide titles in the guide so that any youngsters in the house looking through the guide to see what's on TV doesn't even see some of those titles that you might find on pay-per-view or pay channels. So I'm going to arrow over to the right using the right arrow key. And then I'm going to arrow up using the up arrow key to where it says Hide Titles and press the OK button. This allows me to choose which kind of titles do I want to block. Hide titles of adult and TV MA programs or just the adult programs. I want to block both, so I'm going to leave it where it's highlighted and I'm going to press the OK button. From now on, when I go through my guide, those titles will always be blocked. I press my last button on the remote. That takes me back to the main content screen. From here I have other things. I can change the PIN code if I need to. I can go back and correct any changes I've made. Or if I'm satisfied with what I've done and I just want to exit, you just find the exit button on your remote and that gets you back out. That has been how to change your parental controls on your cable TV service. For other information or if you have any questions, please contact our office or email us at info@tcc.coop. Thank you.